Hey everyone! Today is a very special day. I'm celebrating my friend Jim from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen because today is our Friendiversary. Jim is a very kooky character in the best possible way. He's one of the very first people that I connected with here on YouTube, and he even invited me to participate in my very first collaboration. Today, in honor of Jim, I am making a Nutella coconut mug cake. Jim is the king of mug cakes. He has an entire playlist. I will link it in the description down below. I hope this mug cake turns out beautifully and as delicious as one of Jim's mug cakes. Let's get started. We're gonna do this Jim style. I don't have a funny hat or a costume. I'll do my best. 2 ounces all-purpose flour. We're doing this a little bit Anna style too. 4 tablespoons coconut milk. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2 teaspoons coconut powder. 1 tablespoon of Nutella. 1 tablespoon of Nutella is giving me fits, y'all. 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder. Stir it all up. Microwave for 1 minute. Not 1 second, 1 minute. Sprinkle with coconut. Hey, it's snowing! Jim would say that. And now it's time to give it a taste. That is a nice little sweet treat. Even better with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Very tasty, very easy, and very fast. Jim, thank you for brightening my day. Thank you for making me laugh, but most of all, thank you for being a friend. Please check out Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Please check out Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. If you like creative recipes, kooky characters, and if you love to laugh, you will really enjoy his channel. Happy Friendiversary, Jim! Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!